What's up guys, you're watching the Sid Show, and if you're new to my channel then don't forget to subscribe and a like. Today we are going to talk about the Sony PlayStation 4 error, how to fix the error. There is the WV-33898-1, it's a PSN network not working. So I'm just going to share my screen on my left side. Here we go to the screen, and simply we go to the screen, and here we go to the settings, network, and then view PlayStation network services. Sometimes the server is down, that's why you get this error and not working, or your PSN account is not signing up. And if the PSN is working or DNS is working, then you just simply use a LAN cable from your router to your PlayStation 4, and it's better than the Wi-Fi. And if you just simply go to forget the old Wi-Fi network and connect it again. So simply that's how you can fix it. And if you're new to my channel, then don't forget to subscribe and a like. If you want to ask my question, then leave a comment in the comment box.